it's Mama Mo. In my last video, I showed you 3 of the themes I was thinking of for my birthday cake. The first one was for a gardening theme. The second one was for an art painting theme. And the third one was a baking theme. If you haven't seen the video, here's the link to check it out. Are you excited to know what theme you chose for my birthday cake? I wore this shirt to give you a hint. So I got various votes from all of you from all over through Facebook, Viber, direct message, and of course in YouTube. Well, we have a winner, the gardening theme. The garden theme decorations now adorn a 6-inch round chocolate cake, and it's covered with chocolate ganache. I enhanced the garden theme by shaping the cake to mimic a tree stump. This is an easy cake decorating style for beginners. The tree bark can be created with just a few swirls and lines. You don't need any special tool. What do you think of the combination of the tree stump and the garden? So I put all the decorations on top of the tree stump. There were a few new additions like gardening gloves and some small potatoes. Please like this video if you enjoyed how I decorated my birthday cake. I hope this gives you inspiration for your own cake decorating. Check out my hobby baking adventure playlist to watch other creative and delicious recipes that I have tried. If you have any other ideas you'd like to suggest to me, just comment down below and I'll make sure to check them out. Thanks for watching!